Okay, hello. Um, Pop out chat. So, uh, Dolphin Firmware. We might have Dolphin Firmware. Now, there's a chance this isn't actually Dolphin Firmware. Person who sent me it, which was Matthew, who announced that they had one, said that VSH appears to be empty. So it might not actually be the Dolphin Firmware, but it should still be interesting, whatever it is. And who knows, maybe it is the Dolphin Firmware. So, yeah, I wasn't going to people look into it too much yet. So yeah, here we go. Dolphin thing. Let's extract the MMC dump. Okay. Live chat. I've already gone ahead and built myself a copy of SCFS tool, which should be able to extract these eMMC. So yeah. And along here, let me explain. Dolphin firmware is essentially on some launch feeders. They shipped with this Dolphin test mode, and you couldn't do anything else but use this Dolphin test mode, where it has like a graphics test and it's like two dolphins swimming around. Um, and it's been a mystery ever since. Like no one has this thing. It's incredibly hard to even find a video of it on it, and then how are you supposed to dump it? So yeah, Dolphin firmware. Supposedly, this is a dump of the Dolphin firmware. I mean, it might not be a Dolphin phone, but it should be interesting, whatever it is. So, I don't know who's here. I don't think anyone's here, but yeah, okay. So we got that. Let's just start by, what's this thing called again? PSP2 FS tool, dash X, uh, DV, MMC, um, and then out. There we go. Okay, we're now dumping all the partitions out. Rather simple. But that is really all there is to it. You just dump all the partitions and yeah. Oh, interesting is to see if there's anything in UD0. Always worth checking. Probably isn't, but we'll have a look. Yeah, I could play some music. Um, someone's here. Hello. Dolphin. Yes, Dolphin. It might not actually be Dolphin firmware, but it should be interesting no matter what this is. Uh, yeah, and I'm realizing that probably a lot of people here don't even know what Dolphin firmware is. What's when I can just PA in the background, like, that's not too annoying. Um, Ellie wants to hear, well, Ellie is saying in the comment eyes their status, but it's a bit too yowled, and, well, I'll play Golly this morning. Sure. Yeah, there we go. I just want music in the background. This is still unpacking, yeah, Golly. Hell yeah. Okay. This is still going. Okay, finally, finish. Okay, this is the wrong folder. It's... Oh, this is the F the folder's in. Okay. Okay, so out. Okay, so here are all the partitions. What I want to look at first. Well, I'm gonna have a look at VSL. I was told VSL is mostly empty. And by mostly empty, they mean completely empty. There is no VS0 at all. Some other stuff. There is a registry. Okay. That's interesting. What's in the registry? If we can get like their password. Actually, it makes sense as registry because that's like handled by the kernel, isn't it? Okay, it seems completely empty. It's not like anything in here. Okay, what about you, Ozero? SCIO trash, nothing else. UD0, I'm expecting not much in here either. Yeah. TM0, is there any like activation data or something? Also empty. Okay, office is empty. Is there anything in SA0? I can open SA0. Oh, I don't know if I need the text fat plugin for. Hang on, I need to add something to my 7-zip. Text fat 7-zip plugin. There's like a way. There's like a thing that makes it so 7-zip can open exFAT. Yeah. This. How you install this? Go to 7-zip installation. Put this into the formats folder. Right. Also, did you guys know you can install plugins into 7-zip? Like this is actually pretty cool. I actually kind of wanna make a 7-zip plugin for some formats. Like I wanna make a 7-zip plugin for Vita package files. It'd be pretty cool. Okay. Let's extract out this. You know, playing old Flash game music might not be the best idea. Because, you see, I have DID. And it might cause someone to switch in. But probably not, so hasn't happened before. Okay, that's in there. It still doesn't seem to be able to open these though. That's interesting. I can't open PD. I can't open PD0. Is there like a is that even like a valid exFAT partition? Like what's in here? Oh, okay. PD0 is completely uninitialized. It's all just random shit. That's fascinating. Okay. Okay, well we've seen these before, the SCEPD modules. That's interesting. Has a safe mode. So in theory, you could open safe mode on this thing. But there doesn't seem to be much else on here. There's an inactive OSO too. I don't know if these are like the same version or anything. This has got the EC4IP on here, which is the dev kit stuff. Okay, so Dolphin thing. I don't see anything that could really be the Dolphin. But I'm gonna have a look at I'm gonna do my due diligence. I'm going to look at the boot config. So, yep, and I should have SC utils in here somewhere. SC utils. Where is it? Where the hell is my SC utils installed? I swear I have this on here. Yeah, of course I do. Oh, it's in my of course, it's in the PlayStation Mobile folder. Duh! I PSP2 config -o. Well, that didn't work. Let's try instead of keys, instead of this keys. I don't know what keys this is. I'm gonna try the internal key set. Cause I feel like that's pretty IQ. Nope. What? Yeah, it's definitely itself. Okay, fine, I'll try the prototype key set. Keys proto. Does that work? No. The hell? Okay. Wait, failure module keys external. When did that? Who changed that? Who changed it to try the file called keys external? Okay, fine. I'll try rename keys internal to keys external. Apparently, it's trying this, so. It's keys underscore external. Sorry. Yeah, didn't like that either. I'm like totally screwing up my fucking SCU sales right now. That's different. That's a different error. That is a different error to last time. NPTLM type KYIC. I mean, it's not an NPTLM module. on, can I use SCE decrypt then? What was it again? Okay. Non-powered SCE SIG type. So I literally can't decrypt this because there's a bug. Cool. I'm gonna tell. Okay, yeah, CE feels big. Cool. Now I'm gonna try to fix this. Okay, what is this? An enum pie. Alright, can we get away by just ignoring this? So it's gonna give enum pie. I guess not enum pie because that's like part of the Python library. SCE util start get segments. In get segments metadata header, and then here. Okay. What file was in? SCE types. Okay, I am reading the completely wrong data for this. SCE sig type. Doesn't exactly be used so much, I can just comment it out, right? I mean, okay, a lot of this information is wrong. It thinks the signature length is like this. It thinks that's the length of the signature. That's an incredibly big signature. So this is reading the file wrong. This is very much reading the file wrong. Where is metadata header even read from? I don't know how SCE utils is put together. Where is metadata header used? I want to decrypt this. I want to get this to decrypt. Used here. Metadata info.size. Where's the metadata info coming from? guess I can just print the decryption. I don't know if this is what the metadata is supposed to look like. I don't think it is. I don't think the metadata is supposed to look like this. So this version 1.0000. I'm gonna write this deck to a file. I don't know what this is, but some. It doesn't make any sense. I think the key's wrong. Realistically, I think the key's probably wrong. I think the key's probably wrong, it doesn't realize. I might try adding the keys manually. There was keys included in here. Right? So, doesn't look like very many useful keys are included in here. What if... I don't know if Avery's out anymore. Yeah, I don't know if Avery's key's out anymore. Just happens to rename your shit randomly. I'm gonna try a different set of things again. Can I find key IV for this SCE file? Like, what exactly causes that error to occur? In self-type. Oh, something. So that's in the same SCE tools thing. That's a weird arrow to get. It's in this one. I cannot get a thing for this self-type. What is the, like which arrow, which one can I find? Cannot find a key IV for this thing. And that's an SCE type. So let's look at SCE types. Which I forgot why that is. What function was it? SCE types after in get phrase right. So where's the .get? I don't see a .get in here. And this means this one, but that's some SCE keys. Like it says SCE keys is the error, but then it says that there's an error in this one. I'm gonna just search for this error message in here. Okay, here it is. I reckon the sys version is that. What is that in hex? 1000. I'm wondering if that's the issue. Is this a check? This one's full of the key types in here. The key types there. The SCE types there. The self types there. So if there's no self type, then it must be the sys though. Right? That's what I'm thinking. It must be the sys though if it's not that. Alright. So let's just edit this. Okay, so it's metadata, right? It's key type metadata, yeah, so. Let's change the max version to like that. I think it should always be higher than that though. We're gonna take the one from below, this one here I use for apps, and I'm gonna set this on metadata. There's two metadata keys in here, but they have different uses. One's for like type 1, and one's for like type 2, it seems. There's also this one here, which is for, what's the self-type? Self-type kernel. Cool, that seems to have fixed that problem, so these are still the wrong keys. I don't know which one's a which anymore. I'm gonna try these keys then. I'm gonna change specifically this one. No, that didn't work. Oh, I see. This one here has got the thing for 373. Ah, okay. Okay, so I see the issue. For the kernel, right, the keys have changed over the years. And so, the lowest firmware keys go from 10 to 1030 to this. But this is 0 to 1000, so I'm just gonna take a wild guess that that's the correct key. Ah! Yes! Okay! Hacker voice, I'm in! So it's external keys then, probably. Alright. Okay, so it tries to spawn the shell, which the shell doesn't exist, so that doesn't work. It tries to launch. This looks basically the same. It tries to spawn a safe mode as well. So yeah, so it's either spawning these, or these. Which, I mean, this is basically exactly like the other boot config. Like there isn't too much different here. This is like the normal boot config. And so the only self file that's actually here at all in like this entire dump, only one of these it can be, because if we remember, VS0 is empty. There is no VS0. I bet if we look at here, there won't even be like a reference to anything. I mean, let's do it. Let me just have like a quick look. No. Okay. Well, here, let me look at the UD0. So it's a UF. There is! Oh! Oh, we got a pop! We got a fucking pop! Pop for 1.05. Okay, we got an update file. This is pretty great. We got a fucking update file. Hell yeah. Okay. I need a refresher on the update format. Okay, PS Vito update extractor. I guess there's like a tool from Princess. Actually, Princess is sleeping is on. I always ask. It's retail 1.05. It's retail 1.05 pup. Okay, how do you know about what I'm talking about, Prince? Are you watching my fucking stream? Probably yeah. Anyway, so is the safe mode regular safe mode? I mean, that's all I can think at this point. So apparently it's already looked at this, and this is just retail 1.05. Nothing interesting though. And that would also kind of suggest the safe mode's normal safe mode if I managed to do that. But I'll have a look anyway. Safe mode self. Oh, safe mode elf. Why? These keys work with. Oh, this is .user now. I don't know. It'll be the same issue. Yeah. Let me just ever this 103. Change it to that. Okay, cool. Okay. Safe mode the elf. Uh-huh. Update. Okay, this looks like regular safe mode. Let's for your correct update yes.txt. A string I know is in there. Was that not in yet? Maybe? Or what am I getting the name wrong? I know it's not UXO data. Yeah, this is, yeah, it's server URL, that's what I was after, yeah. Yeah, this is safe mode. This is just regular safe mode. Compat diag.skpox. What's compat diag.skpox? Is that the dolphin? Is that the dolphins? I want my dolphins. Where are my dolphins? Okay, it's a compat diag. Actually, that is weird. That isn't normally there. What is this then? It'd be weird if it was. It would be kind of weird if it was a kernel thing, though. I'd think. I mean, I'll have a look anyway. Okay, what is this? With strings? No. I wanna look into this a bit, but I don't quite know what it does. I could just try running it. I keep seeing strings pop up and then scrolling past them. Oh, here we go. Thread material. It's kind of weird for dolphins were in the kernel, I think, but KD sysmem, KD yodecore. This is referencing a bunch of kernel modules. KD user system, yeah. $sign PSP. What? What? Wait, these are PSP selves. Oh, these are all the custom selves to the PSP mode. Yeah. Okay. The boot image extractor. Search skpoy. PCBC. Debug font mutex. Okay, debug font sounds promising. If like it uses the debug font, that could actually be a thing. What is PCBC.escape here? Isn't PCB? Well, I know what PCBC is. PCBC is the IPL for the PSP. If I remember correctly. Are you telling me the PSP? Are you telling me the fucking Dolphin mode is implemented in the PSP? Because that would be like really weird. And this is like another escape here exit for me, remind me of well. No, that's the only one. Okay, so question: how do I extract this? This kind of use like boot image extractor on this. Boot image extractor. PSP retools or whatever. I probably have it somewhere, but because I know what PVBC thingy is. PSP2 kernel boot image extract. I am expecting this to not work, but I'm going to give it a look anyway. I'm going to try it on anyway. Okay. PSP2 kernel boot image extract. What was it again? Compat diag.elf. Compat diag. Yeah, just compat diag slash. Does not contain a. Does not contain embed a kernel boot image. PCBC is the PSP mode IPL. I think this is for testing the PSP compatibility. If I remember correctly, the Fio actually has a tool to decrypt PCBC. If you try turn it on, does it actually, if you boot this firmware, does it like boot to the Dolphin? Yes, the Dolphin mode is how I test the PSP compatibility. This seems to be for testing PSP compatibility. It's kind of interesting though. I wanna extract files. I wanna extract the files within this. This is yes. So either this isn't Dolphin FW, or it's in the PSP stuff. I have a bad idea, but I kind of want to try load this module on my Vita and see what happens. No, not Dolphin Emulator. Dolphin Firmware. Okay, it's a thing. All right, PSP. I'll just send the video in chat. Dolphin debug mode. It's a thing that happened on some launch Vitas that no one knows anything about. Oh, I wrote PSP, not duh. Debug mode, Dolphin. Okay, I need to search this in Google because clearly DuckDuckGo isn't working for me. Okay, I'm gonna send this video in chat so everyone's no longer confused. If you wanna know what Dolphin Mode is, alright, here it is. This is Dolphin Mode. Let me just remove the tracking bullshit. Okay, there you go. That is Dolphin Mode, okay? That is what we're investigating here, and there's no VS0, which is weird. I kinda wanna try this kernel module. I kinda wanna try this kernel. Okay, it's actually, before we do that, before we do anything stupid, let's look at it in IDA. Let's see what it does, right? Let's like I look at what it does first before we try something stupid like actually running it. PSC retools, beta decompile. Next thing, I believe my thing is in here. Okay, and now CMD pi make IDC. This is my own solution because the tools for doing things in IDO don't work. So I made my own I hacked my own together this way. Okay. Compat diag dot IDC. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at this. What does this thing do? Is it even does this thing like if this thing starts like the compat processor at boot up? I'm not on DevKit, I'm on retail. It's fine though, this is running on the Dolphin videos are retails anyway, so like that should be fine. I also don't know, Princess, if you're watching what I'm doing. Or not. But like, I think you are, so. Okay. Well, the thing is, it updates ID store. It has need to update ID storage. Might not be safe. I'm just saying like that's why I'm a bit cautious. Like it does stuff that I don't know. I don't know what it does, and I want to know what it does basically. But I want to have like an idea of what it does first. Okay. Oh, I see reference to SCE grab, which I know is PSP related. Okay, so the first thing it does is it starts a thread called compat main. I'll just rename this to compat main. I'll rename this to compat menu. So, actually, there's no VS0. So like, if it was, okay, so, shared SRAM. Compat main. Okay, so it loads in the PBMC, right? So the first thing it does when it loads in is it loads in the PBMC IPL. So it loads in the PBMC IPL, which I would like to be able to extract. Where is that? Excuse me? Is this PlayStation Mobile or something? Random D word plus some random number. This is probably like a giant buffer of like everything, all of the files in it. I mean, it's for yoke. I can't yoke. This doesn't exist. Yeah, this doesn't exist. Whatever this is. Like it loads a value in there and then okay, well, anyway, module start. So first thing, in the compat main, let's look. So we know it loads up the PBMC, so it loads up the PSP. It'd be really interesting if this whole time this was like a PSP test thing. Okay, so it copies in a PSP executable. Right? It copies in a PSP executable of some sort. From like I actually know where the source is. Wait, the source is here. Okay, so the source this isn't be a string. It should be why can't I change that? That's not a string though. That's the source. That's the actual module, and it's going in here. But it doesn't. I don't see the compat stout function. So as far as I'm aware, this will never actually execute. Unless I'm missing it. Unless one of these like unless like the compat stout on behind the scenes uses some SCE grab thing and like it's just calling it directly. That's possible. But I don't see it stouting the compat thing. No, quote unquote quote PSP. I know this because I've done PSP stuff. Quote PSP is the it is like the self header for PSP. Okay, so I'm going to assume that does extra. If this actually stouts emulation, then that would pretty much immediately end, like... Okay, so here's the ID storage stuff. What are these... The hell? Wait, what are these random styles here? What? I set these to hexadecimal and it disappear. What? These random styles... What is this for? That's weird. And that looks up ID storage ETH 258. And if that is greater than 0, then some byte is set to this plus this, then it updates it to this. So if it will erase this with whatever V20 and 20 is, and then it will write that in storage. It's some string by style. Yeah, but why there's so many of them? This function doesn't seem to do anything. Like, this function doesn't do much. Like, it does some math, and that's it. Anyway, I'm interested. What's this PSP file? What's this PSP self it's trying to load? Like, there's a PSP self in here somewhere. And where is it? I saw it out. Hang on, I saw it earlier. There should be like a mem copy in. in here or something. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Synchronize address to IWA and whatever. Yeah, I'll go back. I want to... okay. Here. Okay, I'm gonna go with an IW because it doesn't like me. Okay, so it's... This thing... What is with this having, like, really weird addresses? So it's like, this thing minus some other... It's like, is this PlayStation Mobile or something? Okay, so Yellow Bytes, PSP, okay. This here is the actual mem copy. Yes, here it is. Here's the PSP thing. And it copies 1,000... See, that is not just copying the text PSP, it's copying 1,370 bytes, so... Let's have a look. 1,370. I'm gonna try run this in, I'm gonna try run some PPSSPP. And just, like, see what this is. Okay, 1,000, how many was it? 1,000, oh, it's 10,000, okay. That's annoying. I'm gonna go back up to where this was. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna go up to the start. I'm gonna wipe everything up here. Alright, and now I'm gonna go to, this offset. 10307. 10370 or whatever. Yeah. So here is the end of it. See, it's loading up your debug font. Okay, is that style thing a thing that's in the Dolphin menu? Okay, so this here... 10370. This in theory is the PSP self then. So in theory this is like a PSP e-boot bin then. The only small issue is I might not actually be able to decrypt this. Because the keys for this very well could be in that PBMC. But I'll have a try anyway. It's a bad place to put it. I want to put it in I'm putting the Dolphin Video folder. Yeah, okay, so PSP self.bin. Okay. So what we know, okay, definitely initializes the PSP compat mode. I think, I mean, it doesn't actually call compat stout, but it might, one of those SCE grab things might be doing that. Because I don't see why it would load all that stuff into the thing and then not actually stout the emulation. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Where is this? Where did I put it again? Where did I put this? I forget where I fucking put the file. Oh, Vita Manuik. Right. It's not really related to the Vita manufacturing stuff. Okay, so it doesn't seem like... Can this not, like, direct to Yode? This should be able to just directly yo like a. I would imagine this can just directly yo like a signed self, like surely. Surely? Apparently not. Okay, cool. I'm gonna decrypt it first. I'm gonna try to use PSP decrypt then. I should have that somewhere. Yes, I do. I am expecting this to not work, however. Because I had issues with this in the past when it came to, yeah, that's what I suspected. Okay, so, I need the PBMC. I need the PBMC. It will have, it has the keys for this. I may as well grab PBMC anyway. What's this anyway? What is this? Like, what is this? If I like set this aside, something else. Can I do this in like a hex view? I believe I can, right? Okay, I don't know what this is. But combat menu, that's supposed to handle like when you like hold down the PS button, right? Anyway, so the issue here is, I guess, I don't know the arguments for like the firmware YOLO thing is. What did you find? Is the tag in here? The issue is that like I remember this exact problem, but the Vito didn't have. Yeah, I remember this exact problem. PSP Decrypt doesn't have the keys for the Vito PSP emulator. That's exactly what the problem is. Which actually means this PSP binary can only run on the Vito and nothing else, which is actually pretty wild. Okay, I'm pretty sure there was like a reason why. Okay, this is a different. I have multiple versions of PSP Decrypt. I have one that I built myself somewhere that should have this issue fixed. I just don't know where it is. There is, of course, one other option. I could boot up my Vito and use Adrenaline, and I just decrypt it that way. I could make an e-boot PvP and try to just launch it in Adrenaline and see what happens. Okay, that's PSSC decrypts. I swear I have PSP decrypt in here somewhere. Like, I needed it for no PSP Maduram. Do I really not have it? Apparently I don't, so okay. Fucking folks' memories, they suck. See, I know why all these things happen now. Get Kion. CD PSP decrypt. I need to actually run this in MSys. Okay, make. Could not include F-stream. File not found. How is F-stream not found? Wait, I remember how I fixed this, actually. I remember how I fixed it. Yeah, okay. What I did to fix this last time was I went to, PSP Decrypt, and I edited the make file, alright, and I changed it from Clang to GCC and G++, right? And then suddenly it all works. Yeah. But let me go delete all the .o files first. So it redoes everything. You don't want like some code written maiden thing. Failed to grab OpenSSL shell.h. I don't have OpenSSL. Pacman-s OpenSSL dev. Piece of work. No. No. Okay, I need to add OpenSSL, apparently. This has changed since I last used it, because I remember this working. Oh, maybe I have to, maybe I can just use MSys. I'm gonna use MSys. I can just run it in MSys, it doesn't matter that much. Okay, it works if I do it in MSys. I'll just build using MSys then. The only problem building with MSys is that you're locked to using it within the MSys command prompt. But that isn't actually that big of a deal. I can work with that. Okay, cool. We now have PSP Decrypt. Okay. PSP Decrypt, so here it is. And of course, since it's built with MSys, it won't let me just open it. But I can run this inside thing and it should work. So I can have a go at decrypting this PSP self. Slash PSP decrypt. PSP self. Successfully decrypted for tag blah blah blah. But if I remember correctly, this doesn't actually give you an elf. No backup change. Simple. Simple POX TMP. The interesting thing is this is not an elf file. Normally this would give you an elf file. But there's no elf file here. I don't know what this is. Like, this isn't an elf. And it's probably just straight machine code. I don't see any strings in here or anything. I don't see anything in here really, like, besides that text. So that's a bit peculiar. But hey, it decrypted, so okay, so how does the K what is like how do you use the FW Yodo thing? Fucking DuckDuckGo, stop being useless. Okay. Well, given this takes a path, I'm wondering if this doesn't take it from. I'm wondering if this just reads like this. Does this file exist? It's like OSO KD PBMC exists. Like maybe it reads it from a file. It should be here. Yeah, there is a PBMC. I'm guessing that the PBMC is the same. Like, I don't see why they'd change that. So there is some sort of elf file being like yelled in here. And I am really curious as to what that is. Okay, so it is definitely a Dolphin Veto. That's really interesting. It must be in the PSP thing. Must be the PSP. I am serious. Like, it must be the fucking PSP thing. There's nothing else it could be. It says like, what are the strings in here? Didn't we see strings? Yeah. Okay. So there's like, it apparently like it has. Okay, so it has like files here, right? Like it has modules. I'm just saying it's the math for you, if you can figure them out. I am tempted to try. Okay, you know what? Fucking yo-yo. I'm just gonna yo this on my video and see what happens. I'm just gonna yo this module on my video and see what happens. If I have actually, I won't be able to decrypt the module. Actually, my video won't be able to decrypt it because it's for like a really old firmware. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my Vito. It's downstairs. So I can't decrypt. Problem is I can't. Okay, I can't decrypt. I can't use the module because it's encrypted, right? And the key set is like, it's a different key set to what's used today. But there was a pretty simple solution to this. All I have to do is take compat diag, right? take it to the Vito SDK. And then Vito make fself or put this inside the PSP decrypt folder as well. PSP decrypt compat compat diag.elf compat diag.skpox dash a, and let's just steal the auth ID from the original, which is in there somewhere. Oh, let's find it again. Where is it? It's in the Vita menu week or whatever, yeah. Dolphin Vita. If it's actually the PSP thing, that will like... my mind will be like, this is like sufficiently like... it's like a sufficient thing for the mystery, like, it being part of... it being part of like the... it being part of the fucking, like it being a PSP thing, that's like, whoa, no one would have expected that, like, you know, that would be like a sufficient climax for the mystery or whatever. Like, you know, a big twist at the end, it's actually a PSP emulator test the whole time or something. Why didn't it accept my -A argument? Okay, there we go. Okay. So, I now have a module that in theory can load on my Vita. Should I try it out? I think I'm gonna try it out. I'm booting up my Vita now, and I'm just gonna drop this in like the Henkaku config. I'm not gonna do boot config because then I'd have to reinstall my entire firmware in order to get it out. So I unfortunately don't have my Vita is unfortunately out of battery, it seems. Or actually doesn't even seem to want, the light isn't even flashing, that's probably completely dead. Let me plug it in. This will take a bit before I can actually look at it, but if it's like the PSP thing, I'll be like, that would be like a sufficiently good surprise. But this is definitely Dolphin Firmware in some way. Part of me also kind of wants to try and install this on my Vita, like the actual firmware itself. But I also know I have no idea what I'm doing, and if I did, there probably isn't a way to get it off. So, though I don't see why safe mode wouldn't get you update. Actually, is this module even loaded in here? Yeah, it is. Compact diag is Yoden Hill. Right towards the end, too. Right for stuff that would be used for, like, Shell. It's actually before even Fios 2, which is interesting. What's FW Yodo? Is that... Wait a minute, is FW Yodo a normal thing? Okay, well, okay, here... Remember how we saw Styles earlier? We saw Styles in here. Right, there were Styles in the module. Right? There were. It was in Compact Menu. Yeah. There were Styles in here. So... Style, space, style, space, style, space. And if you look at this, space, style, space, style, space, style. Oh my god. This is the top of the K. Yeah. Yeah, this handles that. This is like actual. This is legitimately the okay. Hang on, let me put this into like a. Let me like sort of space this out more evenly. Because this isn't spaced out very well. So. So, first off, that looks suspiciously like a G, doesn't it? Now, I need a better look at this. I need a better look at this, okay? Does this actually match up? Because I'm just challenging my video moment. I'm just having a look. Okay, so it's space, style, space, style, space, style, right? And then the first line, it's space, style, space, so that's correct. Then 2 more spaces, so that's correct. Then a style, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1, 2, 3. That's like 3. So maybe. I mean, it could also be this one, right? It could be this line, because this line here. Yeah, it could be this line. Okay. This is the top one. Okay, so this is definitely it. This is definitely the dolphin. I can't believe it's a fucking PSP emu test. Then, okay, can we find this one? South space 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 south south space. Can we find that? Looking for south space space space. So here's a close contender. Space south south. Yeah. So that's probably more like this one or whatever. I want more like two near each other though. All the ones that are like style space style. Could be this one. No, that's got 4. What's that used? It's got like 4 in a row. Dude, Jimmy, where's this one used? I can't figure out what this one's used. Here! Here it is! Look! Style, space, space, style, space, style, style. Style, space, space, style, space, style, style! Look! It's not fucking okay! This is the okay sign! I have to comment all of these. Fucking rude. Okay. You can use the PSP combat menu. Okay, this is impressive. The Dolphin Firmware. So, the Dolphin Firmware is actually a PSP emu test. That's incredible. I was not expecting that. Wow. I'm posting it to Twitter. Thanks, you Snap Princess. Alright, everyone, you heard it here. Thanks, you Snap Princess. Alright, So, turns out, the plot thickens. Turns out, a massive, what a twist to the Dolphin mystery. It's actually a test of the PSP emulator. Hang on, I'm gonna share like the screenshot. I'm gonna like make like a graphic. Hang on. I'm gonna make like a graphic of this and then like compare it to the screenshot here. And I have like lines that point to like which ones are which. Right? I'm gonna do like clickbait arrows, alright? Clickbait fucking arrows. wrong side. Okay. So this one here, well, that doesn't like me. We do this on a new year entirely. Okay. So this one here points, fuck you. Okay. So this one here is this line, right? These line up. These match up, right? And then this one here, I don't know what this one's for. But this one, where was it? Yeah, this one. This one's also probably used. Isn't there like a copy of this one? Where it's like style, space, style, space, style. So yeah, this one. This one here is probably like, you know, style, space. It's space, style, space. It's space, style, 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 space, style, style. Yeah, so this one. You know, that points to this line. And for consistency's sake, let me just delete this one. Right. I don't know why they're not like in order. And yes, wait. What if it's first line of this one, then like second line of the other one, right? So what if it's like the first line is for the OK, and the second line is for the one directly under it? Yes! That's exactly what it is! Okay! That means every second one, that means if we do this, in theory, it should spell out OK and G. I like what I'm seeing! Look at that! Every second! Look at that! Okay, okay. I'm gonna put this revelation underneath. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, and then I'm just gonna like rearrange it. So every second one is part of the NG. I forgot what I'm up to. I'm up to, this one. Which one again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one. I'm using track really quick. Okay, okay. So staff star, space staff star. Okay, that one. And this one's part of okay again. I wonder if we can run, like... I wonder what's up with that, What's up with that PSP executable, though? Like, it's not a valid PSP executable as far as I can tell. Like, I'd like to know what's up with that, but anyway. Alright. Right, back to this one. This one's slightly annoying me. So I'm just gonna move it, like, backwards a tiny bit until it doesn't. There we go. Okay, so style, space, space, style, space, style. That one. Okay. They asked to. You know what this means, though? This means that maybe this was in the factory firmware dumps the whole time. Yo, what? Maybe this was in, like, the inactive banks of some random update, of some random video. Like, the entire time. Like, the OS0 inactive. Yeah, hi, we just found out what the Dolphin Firmware really is. It's a PSP emu test. It's not letting me fucking save this. I wanna... Let me cut... Okay, it's correct. Paint on that isn't liking me. I just wanna put this image. gonna put this screenshot to kind of prove it's like a PSP thing. Okay. Alright, I'm now going to attempt to load this on my video once it finishes loading. Once it finishes charging, at least. But yeah, I just sent out a tweet about the thing. Go away, spammo. Okay, you know what'd be really cool? Make a homebrew. Okay, make a homebrew. It loads this kernel module. Call it Dolphin.vpk. That's what I'm gonna have to do if I can get this to work on retail. Yeah, we got the Dolphin. We found the Dolphin test. I have it. It's actually a PSP emu test. It's literally the test of PlayStation Mobile the PSP emulator. It sets up the compat modules, and then it just outright mem copies a PSP executable into the memory of the PSP emulator. The OKNG thing is actually the compat menu. We found out this here decodes to compat NG if you align it the right way. And in the screenshot for the Dolphin thing is the words OKNG when you push a button. And yeah, this is literally the code that does that. So that's how we know for sure that this is the Dolphin thing. Okay, no notifications seem to be related to anything here, at least. Yeah, okay, I'm going to attempt to load this on my Vita. If I can get it to work, I will release an app to just load the Dolphins on the Vita. But I am going to give it a really basic test. I'm just gonna drop the module into my, Taihen config. And I'm gonna see if, when I boot up, I get the Dolphins. In theory, I should. So, I can't believe I never thought this day would come that I'd be able to run the Dolphin test on my Vita, but let's have a go. Just have a check. So compat diag should now be here. Yes, okay. Now is not the time for my buttons to stop working. Really? Okay, it was just Vita Shell. No, my analog stick is stuck up. Cool, I'm gonna leave it my Vita. So you guys can't see what I'm doing in my video, but yeah. There might be an issue trying to run this on modern firmwares. If the PSP or if the compat IO changed significantly, which it probably has, then there's like a high chance this won't actually work. But I mean, maybe. I could always decrypt the entire firmware, set my entire boot config to it, and okay. Apparently, my analog stick is stuck in the up position. This only just started happening, but it's making it impossible for me to select anything in Vita Shell, which is just great. Cool. I'll edit it this way then. I'll just download this. Now, before anything, what is it? Compat diag.self. Alright! Rebooting my Vita! Let's have a look! I can't reboot it, but, I will be impressed if this works like that easily. I'm not expecting this to work. No, it just boots up normally. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, so it's not that easy to just load this, it seems. Yeah. It doesn't load. I don't know why it doesn't load, but it doesn't load. So what we really need then is like, I don't know, I guess bootstrap the firmware, like make a way to load the firmware, basically. But like if I was actually installing it, because ideally it wouldn't be like permanently on your Vita, because then your Vita's like bricked, right? So like a way to like load the module, get everything that needs to work, right? Downgrade whatever needs to be downgraded, and like boot to that. Probably. There's probably a way to make it work. Is what I'm saying. Like there was most likely a way to make this work. Okay, well, this was interesting. Unfortunately, at this point, can't go much further than this. But, probably later, if I can get my analog stick that just decided to stop working to work again, I'm gonna try to work on a way to actually load this thing. But at the moment, it doesn't seem to want to actually load it. It's also this, like, section of data, which I'm not quite sure what's for, but it's here. If I go to hex view on this, like, I'm not quite sure what that's supposed to be. Actually, how many bytes? Hang on, how many bytes does it read again? 60 CA0. Okay, hang on. Let me do this. Let me work this out then. CA0. Okay, what is this thing? Oh! Okay, this whole thing 60 CA0. Okay, it means this whole thing here is this whole thing is the PSP. Yeah, the whole thing is the PSP like boot configuration. Oh wait. It's covering this whole thing though. Yeah, okay, this is accessing like a certain pout. Why is this bigger than the amount? I defined this to be, like, I defined the PSP boot config as being exactly this big. So why is it reading like... Huh? But it shouldn't do that. So I think this is loading in like the OS 0 environment for the Vita. It's not a self. It's a kernel module, and it loads like something into the PSP emulator, and the PSP emulator is what actually runs the Dolphin thing. Which is wild. I wasn't expecting that, but okay. I'm guessing this is like the PSP memory or something. PSP memory. Okay, so it seems to load the boot config. Okay, it's finally realized. It seems it's finally realized that, this is a different thing it's referencing. Okay, I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna rename this one to PSP self. And look, how many bytes exactly? There's a copy from that, I always forget. Okay, that's the size of the PSP self. It's a kernel module. It's not a self, which is actually incredibly surprising. I am like pleasantly surprised by how different this was to what I was expecting. Yeah, it's a PSP emu test. Yeah, why? Like what? Like, yeah, it's like the perfect twist, right? It's like the perfect unexpected twist to the long lost mystery of the fucking Dolphin Firmware. Like, it's incredible. I love it. Okay, so this first one. So this first one. So now we know there's like more going on here. So we've got compat main, right? And that's got like this PSP boot configuration. Now if you look at PSP boot configuration, in the hex editor. Oh! Oh wait! Wait, this is a different self to the other one. Wait, I copied out the wrong self. Okay, hang on. Hang on! I'm gonna get compat main here. Okay, hang on. So this here, if I remember my PSP image correctly, this is like the PSP kernel, and then this is the actual module it's trying to run. So we need to copy out this thing, PSP self, which is located here in the file. And I need to open math, look at where that is. Memory. Because if I can get the PSP self out, then it'll be really easy to just make an ISO for this or something. Like a PPP file. And you can just stout it in Adrenaline, and it'll be fucking funny as hell. And you can run it on PSP, I mean, if you really wanted to. Okay, where's like the memory map? I forgot where that is. No, not that. The memory thing. Structures, I think. No. Segments! That's what I'm after. Okay, so yours there. So the address I'm after is... Compat Diag... I don't think we've ever seen the Compat Diag self until now. And I know it's the Compat Diag self. Okay? And the reason why we know this is because of this screenshot. This is in the Compat Diag self. I mean, it basically speaks for itself. There's this code here. And if you rearrange it, it spells out OKNG. Okay. So... it's the wrong... I need to be looking in the elf. Compat Diag elf. And then you remove this. Okay, here is the actual one. I'm going to check this is the same one. I'm gonna do a sneaky little trick. I'm gonna scroll down this PSP module. Okay, what? It just I just saw another PSP module within the PSP module. I looking at the right PSP thing? Okay, PSP Self. This is the one I want. This is the only one I want. I don't want any of the other ones. I want the PSP. I want the one labeled PSP Self, because this is the actual program that's being run. So I just like copy like a large portion of this. I want like all of it. Okay. So this is the one. This right here should be the actual. I grabbed the wrong one last time. This should be the real, actual file that's used. I guess my mistake. I grabbed the wrong file. Yeah, simple web POX.temp. Thing is, what is this? This doesn't look like an ELF file. Like, what is? Okay, this is no. Is this a file on here? It does. Okay, file. Eboot. gzips compressed data. Gunzip. Okay, apparently it's gzip compressed. Ah! Look at that! We got an elf! Okay, okay. I'm excited now. Alright, alright. The actual elf. Use. Okay, okay. PP, SSPP. I need you. What is this file called again? Simple. Cannot load unknown file. Okay, it doesn't seem to understand it's an elf. Like, once it realizes it's an elf, it should be able to fucking load it. I was able to name it simple.pox. Yeah, yuck! Fuck yeah! Oh my god! Mom! Get the camera! Yes! Oh, that's incredible! Yeah, this won't show the OKNG. But yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is it. This is fucking it. I don't know what my controls are, but like... Okay. Now. The thing we all want to know. I think the thing we're all wondering. Would it be possible to make a PSP emu bubble of this? It should be. Ah, this is incredible. I'm absolutely loving this. Is this thing altered? How do I get like the text to show up? There's no text. This is what it actually runs. Like, there's nothing overlaying on top. Like, not with the Vita. All the overlays will be done on the Vita side, but this is the actual thing it runs. This is pretty cool. You want the elf? Okay, I'll send you the elf. Hang on. Before I send you the elf, I'm putting some my. I'm not letting you steal my thunder. I'm putting this. I am making an. I am making this an adrenaline. I'm rolling in adrenaline, and I'm taking a screenshot, and then I'm giving you the help. So I think if I name this, I think I should be able to this should work with signs. I should just go data.psp. I should be able to set I should be able to set as like data.psp, right? And then I need an icon and like paramsifo, and I don't care what those are. I'm just gonna I should have some around somewhere actually. One of my Trevi sign tests probably. You know, okay. PSP. Yeah, there's an ebook PvP here. Hang on. I'm gonna just do like a really stupid hack. I'm gonna just yone this ebook PvP. Alright. You couldn't fairly run this on an actual PSP, which I want to see someone do. I want to see someone run Dolphin test on an actual PSP. Not a valid PvP file. I don't care. Just give me a fucking PvP. Do I really not have any PvP files like anywhere that I can use? I feel like I should. Cause I just wanna fucking swap like. I could just swap a fucking PvP. Like, really easily. But I think I may have broken the PvP. I think I may have broken the PvP on Paco. Yeah, okay, it just crashed. Alright, so, yeah, extract this, sure. Just wherever. PSP test, I guess. Yeah. Okay, and now I can just open, the PSP test. Right? And I can just select, like, I can just go new, right? And I can just select, like, all of these. I shouldn't need anything else, realistically. And then data.psp. Instead of that one, I'm gonna select, I'm gonna select this one. Right? And that should work. I'm gonna just check if that works in PPSTV. It should though. File corrupt. Oh right. Duh, PSP doesn't have the keys. Because it's the signed file. Right. Okay, it should work in Adrenaline though. Maybe. We'll see. I actually don't know if it's working. I'm actually gonna try. I'm gonna try an Arc4, actually. That's more likely to work. Because as there's Adrenaline might not have the keys. But the Vita PSP move should have it. So I'm gonna use Arc4. PSP emu, PSP game, Dolph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then ebook PvP. Okay, cool. Now I see the open Arc4, which I should have somewhere. Nope, it just crashes. I can't get that to work. Alright, well, it just crashes when I try to run an arc, so, whatever. It's for a PSM thing, keys problem. What keys problem? Because I can just straight up install it on a Vita, so it starts up a boot. The only issue with that is that your Vita would be bricked. Because there's no way to get rid of the firmware once it's on there. Alright, I'm gonna send you the elf. I give up on trying to get this to work. Have fun. Okay, okay. Um, what do you mean it was in Compact Diag the whole time? I'm pretty sure we didn't have Compact Diag before. Like, I'm pretty sure Compact Diag is a new find. Basically what happened is Matthew's got a hold of one, the whole video with it in it. He used, a jig, like, he glitched a jig into working. Scrap via some SMS. I mean, I think it's if we can figure out why you can't update, then like that would probably be helpful. But I think you shouldn't need to update. You should be able to just yode like, you should be able to just yode like the kernel for this, and it should just work. Like, in theory, like you should be able to like patch, like maybe patch like food, so it actually like yodes it. And then you should be able to just like yode like the current. You should be able to just drop its boot config in there and just yode the firmware. Like in theory anyway. Wait a minute. If it self yodes, it goes away, right? So maybe that's why I can. So if it yodes like the safe mode, it disappears, right? That kinda would. Maybe that's why it didn't work when tried to compat diag on my Vita. Because Shell was there. Is the PSP diag set to run? Is PSP diag set to run like set to halt boot if it doesn't yode? No, it's set with I mean, he could try updating. Problem is, if he tries updating, he could just use the fucking thing. But yeah. I guess I'll just upload this to like. I guess I'll just upload this Excel file, I guess, to the internet. I'll put the data PSP file too. Actually, I'll use archiver log. I'll upload like all of the. I'll upload the skplx file, and probably some other. I'll just upload the whole OSL onto here, honestly. Not logged in. Oh, damn it. Oh, right. No. There we go. So SIMP 1042 appears to be a tile ID. The date. Right. I know that somewhere. Where is that? The date's in here somewhere, I swear. It should say here. What was in manufacturing mode dumps? What has been in manufacturing dumps the whole time, and we never like, was there in a or something? I wonder if it's just been there and we haven't noticed. Like, I actually wonder now, like, what if this was just here and we like never saw it? Because like everyone expected to be a self. I don't think anyone expected this. Okay, 2011 09 26. 2011 09 26. Okay, can I upload the I don't see why not. This whole time? Yeah, this whole time. God damn it. I mean, I guess so. I'll make a FW folder. I'll just dump like all of this in here, because I want all this to be in here, like, properly archiving it and all that. I just hope no one's dumb enough to try a flash or CMMC dump to their videos, because that's not how that works. Please don't try that. Okay, so then PSP, I'll copy and data PSP and grab oh yeah, do the thing. Let me unprotect it. Let me unhide this so I can't apparently. Oh, there we go. Well, that should be good. I guess. Yeah, we already had it. We could have found it a long time ago. I'm gonna post to r/. I'm gonna wait till this is done, then I'm gonna post. That way I can give like a link to the module. Dream! Actually, I think there's some private shit in there, actually. Scroll past all the pure shit. Okay. Oh, this is incredible. I can't believe we have it. Like, this is... I can't believe we had it the whole time as well and didn't even realize. Like, we've had it for a while, actually, and no one noticed that it was there. That's amazing. Anyway, I want to somehow make an app to load this on your Vita. Like, just open it and it reboots into it. That'd be cool. My Vita's out of battery again. But anyway, so we have it. Let's actually take a look at some of the functions in here. I remember there being like, yeah, you can rotate that. Like, yeah, you can rotate each individual object, it looks like. You can move everything around. Yeah, you can like change the lighting around and all that. So it's a pretty neat test. I mean, I don't know what my controls are mapped to in here, but like, yeah. Kind of had all along. We all thought it was like a graphics test, but no, it's actually a test of the fucking PSP emulator. Who could have seen that coming, right?
Alright, I'll be up here if it's soon in PSP mode. There's not much more you have to do at this point, it's just uploading the data, I guess. I go PDS Stig. I'm the one who dumped the one behind the what's it called? The bunnies game, the Save Bunnies game. Oh, that was you, right? So I don't know what else to do besides wait for this to finish uploading. I mean, but yeah, then I'm gonna try work on the plugin too. I'm gonna try working on an app. Try load up the Dolphin test. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that. What's in the MVS? Probably not anything interesting, but still have a yuck. MVS open. Yeah, the MVS is basically all cleared out. I mean, wait a minute. If someone attempted an update, explain something to me. If someone attempted an update to 1.05, why is the OSL inactive still the manufacturing version? Shouldn't the OSL inactive be the 1.05 version if they tried to install it but it didn't work? Princess Zoe writing the answer, probably. Why is the OSL inactive the same version anyway? Now, so what is enum wake up? Did anyone ever figure out what the SCEPD modules even for? Like, legit, did anyone actually figure that out? Forget what the firmware version is in here. I'm actually curious what they did there, because they somehow seem to have OKNG. This is so appealing. I forgot what I was gonna fucking say, god damn it. So anyway, what was I gonna say? Why do you think I would know? For fuck's sake. Sophie? Yeah, I don't know either. See, that's why I even be a system if I'm even gonna fucking know things. So, SMCOM SKPX export. So there's some exports missing apparently. Okay, so I want to patch it to. I want to make like an app. I want to make an app to just load it, but I'll do that later. But yeah, it would be cool to just have an app to just load this. Also, I'm just saying, this I'm not first of all, this module to load like a random thing into the PSP emulator. I feel like we could use this to kind of just as like a general homebrew Yodo, right? Like you want to just Yoda PSP homebrew, just make an app, you select an ELF file, and it just yodes into the PSP emulator for you. Like it wouldn't be. We have like a very basic way to do that with this. Uh. Who's Techie J and who's Hideyastig? Because that's the first of what I want to see. I want to see it running on on a PSP, because that would be really hilarious. Right? I want someone to get out their PSP and work out a way to run this on their PSP. That's what I want to see. I think if I set this to, instead of this one, if I set it to, simple PRX, right? And now I save it, maybe it will recognize that. Yes, that does work. Okay, well that's a way. Just load that and adrenaline. Oh wait, I'm actually gonna make this fancy. I'm gonna go. That's my PSP emu test. PSP test. Alright, while I wait for this, I'm just gonna go I'm gonna make this all fancy and whatever, make it look nice. You know, it doesn't have an actual icon, but I'm gonna do my best. Alright, so I need like a screenshot of Also, I'm expecting someone. I want to see this. I want someone to data mine the image. I want someone to extract these dolphin models out. All right, I want to see that. It's very important. Anyway, I need a good look at the dolphins. Okay, this will be my icon. All right, I'm not gonna use this as the icon. I'm just gonna shrink it down. It's like keying the background up. It's select tail and then. Here we go. World's best Icon 0. Okay. Now, the Sifo. Where's like Elma and Sifo at though? Oh. Hurry up! I'm actually gonna grab PSP file, and cause I don't know how like the homebrew Sifos are supposed to look. So I'm gonna grab PSP file. I'm using Windows 8. I'm gonna grab PSP file. I'm gonna add PSP file Sifo, and I'm gonna make it say like Dolphin Test. Alright. And then I should have like an e-boot that should be able to work with this. I'm going to use suspend resume to like boot directly into the like boot straight into the firmware. Okay, I need to extract its PPP. Yep, do that. Okay. What's it called? Dolphin. Okay, what was the title ID according to when you ran PPSSP? It had like a title ID. SIMP. Okay, so it's right. So it's SIMP 01042 apparently. Okay, now PSP decrypts. Synth 10142. 0142. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, I got on my Vito. Oh, the text works on the Vito. When you load the module on the Vita's PSP mode, the text works. My analog stick not working right now is really unhelpful. I'm gonna take a screenshot on the Vito as well. Oh, I can't take a screenshot of the screen. Alright, well I got a photo of my camera. Yeah, so it actually the text actually shows up when you load it on the PSP move, but it doesn't show up in PPS's PP. So I guess that's an emulation error. And this finished too. I'm up here with the eBoot PvP as well, because it's like super easy for people to use it if there's an eBoot PvP. Like it's like super duper noob friendly if an eBoot PvP. So. I'll go my PSP, and then game. I want to see someone run this on a real PSP, okay? Like, someone has to like tweet me that, or like send me a Mastodon on tech.lgbt or something. But seriously, get me see this on an actual PSP. I want to see it on an actual PSP. That's the wrong folder. Vita Man Unique, Dolphin Vito, PSP. There we go. Done that now. Okay, I've got myself. Did I not send that? I swear I sent that actual screenshot. Oh, I didn't click send. There we go.
me to send you on things? Sure, I can do that. Where did I put it? Right in here. Yeah, I want to see this on an actual PSP, or we could get this on the PSP. It's taking a while to finalize the upload, which is really annoying. I want to see it on an actual PSP. It'll be like absolutely hilarious to see it on an actual PSP. Like, come on. I also want to know if the text shows up on an actual PSP. Like, I want a custom bubble. Alright. So I'm gonna go send it to Acid Snake right now. I don't actually know how P-boots work. But I'm gonna send to Acid Snake. I'm gonna go send him the thing and tell him to make a P-boot fault. Because I want this as like a custom bubble on my Vita. Like, I want that so bad. Okay. Reddit.com /r says Vita piracy. You old Reddit. Perfect. What's it so good? Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Now that's cuss. Alright, well, that's pretty fucking cool. I'll upload the video to like the archive page. The hell? How did I end up here? The fuck did I kick on? Okay. That's it for this video, I guess. I'm probably gonna end the stream here. This was very intriguing. I am very happy of the discoveries we made. Like, like that this was actually a PSP application the whole time. Like, it was PSP the whole time! And I find that really cool. So, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna save this IDB and I'm gonna hop off. So yeah, see ya. This was fun.